Hey guys, Free For All Cat Lover here, and today I'm going to show you how to do the Eyeless glitch. So, for this you need a Landon. I think I recommend restaurant. The animal and so this requires a Landon. This glitch requires a Landon. The animal you want to become eyeless. A dolphin with no clothes on. And land and water animal. So, and you also need a sunken ship den. So what you want to do is go to your sunken ship den, and then you will be your dolphin. So then, switch to your water and land animal, and then as quick as you can, switch to your dolphin with no clothes on, and then quickly go to that den. Well, it doesn't have to be the same den, so I think we're good. Okay, ready, set, go. Oops. We got it. Oops. Let me try that again. I think I wasn't quick enough. Okay, now I'm just gonna do this without explanation. I must do this glitch. It's not patched. This should work now. Oh man. Wait a sec. This is becoming a huge fail. This is becoming a huge fail, but I'm just gonna keep doing it. So, yeah. Don't worry, this happens a lot. Don't worry, the crashing thing happens a lot, so yeah. Sorry if I wasted any valuable time. So, as quick as you can, just switch to your dolphin and go to your gym at the same time. This should work now. I think this. Oh, it's in the same position. It's working, guys. It's working. It's in the same position. And as you see right here, I have the dolphin. Look, so the game thinks I'm a dolphin. So what I'm going to do is then change the eyes to the one of those, either of those. I'm just gonna pick the female one. Okay, now you have to refresh, like I'm doing right here. And now the animal is eyeless. Congratulations. So, if you enjoyed this video, leave a like, and be sure to subscribe to me. Like, comment, subscribe, usual stuff. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.